This is KotoOS, a tiny application platform designed for microcontroller-powered computers like the ClockworkPi PicoCalc. It has its own virtual machine, application language, SDK, GUI framework, simulator, and packaged applications. And this is KotoOS, a real KotoOS application running directly on the physical device. I publicly released KotoOS version 0.1 on July 13th, the first day of Build Week. At that point, it supported the RP2040. 2 days later, version 0.2 added support for the RP2350A while preserving RP2040 compatibility and introduced audio streaming. By version 0.3, I had added KotoUI, multilingual application support, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Throughout Build Week, I used GPT-5.6 and Codex as engineering partners across almost the entire stack. I used GPT-5.6 mainly for architectural reasoning, debugging strategies, API and language design, performance analysis, and planning. Codex worked directly across the repository, inspecting dependencies, implementing changes, refactoring multiple modules, running tests, and helping trace failures across firmware, the compiler, virtual machine, SDK, simulator, and applications. But embedded development cannot be validated by code alone. My development loop was design, implement, build, test in the simulator, test on real hardware, measure, analyze, and refine. Hardware behavior and real measurements remain the source of truth. This was especially important when working on PSRA and performance, display transfers, audio scheduling, SD card timing, and support for new hardware. And now KotoOS is becoming network connected. During the final stretch of Build Week, I brought Wi-Fi networking to KotoOS on the RP2040. The device can connect to a wireless network and synchronize its clock from the internet using SNTMP. I also established TLS 1.3 communication on real RP2040 hardware, enabling secure encrypted connections within the tight memory constraints of the device. This networking foundation opens the way for future applications such as weather clients, MQTT Tele.
During one build week, KotoOS evolved from an RP2040 application platform into a multi-target, network-connected embedded computing platform. For me, the most interesting result is not just what KotoOS became, it is discovering how far Codex and GPT-5.6 can collaborate with one developer across an entire computing stack, from programming language design and application development, all the way down to real microcontroller hardware. This is KotoOS.